No, Nina! Dude, I knew you would come. I've been thinking about you all day. Please come back to me. You mustn't cry.
There is someone here.
There's nobody here.
Lock the door, someone might come.
No one will come in.
I know your mother is here. Lock the door. Let me look at you. I feel so warm and comfortable when I'm with you. Have I changed much?
You look good. You got a lot thinner. Your eyes are a lot bigger than they used to be. Why didn't you come to me sooner? I know you've been in town for at least a week. I pass by your place like several times a day. Standing outside your window.
You might hate me. I dream every night that you look at me without recognizing me. Let us sit down. Let us talk about our feelings and how we feel about each other. Enough says, happy is he who can sit at night under the roof of his home, who has a warm corner in which to take refuge. I am a seagull, and yet no. What was I saying? Oh yes, Termia. He says, and God help all houseless wanderers.
Why are you crying?
I'll feel better after this. I've been crying for the past 2 years. Tomorrow morning I'm going to else, and people there will comfort me.
Why are you going else?
I have prior engagements there during the winter. It's time for me to go.
All this time I've hated you so much. I've torn up all your photos. But I've known for every moment of my life that my heart and my soul is forever yours. And everywhere I go, I always see your face and that smile that's brightened up my life for many years.
Why? Why does he talk to me like that?
Stay here with me, Nina. Or at least let me go away with you. Nina, what are you doing?
My car is here, and I'd rather you stay here and not walk me out.
Where are you going?
Back to the village. Is your mother here?
Yeah, my uncle got sick on Thursday and we called her in to come over.
You have kissed the ground I've walked on. You should kill me rather. I'm so tired and all I want to do is rest. Do you remember that time you shot that seagull? No wait, what was I saying? Alright, I have changed now and I am a real actress.
You know who you are and you know where you're going, but I'm still lost in the land of dreams. I have no idea who I am or what I'm doing. I have no beliefs and I don't know what my calling is.
I have to go now, but when I become famous, will you promise to come see me? It's late and I'm hungry.
Well, why don't you stay and have dinner with me?
I can walk by myself. My car's not that far anyways. Don't tell Trigorin about this. I love him, and I think I love him even more now. So what we had together, was perfect, and I felt really happy with you, but that was the past, and I have to go now.
Mom would be disappointed if she saw it in the garden. I knew you would come. I've been thinking about you all day.
You're supposed to turn? Oh. I'm sorry.
Should we go dance?
Oh my god, why would you kiss the ground I've walked on? See me? I have to go now, it's late. But I'm oh fuck, I'm hungry.
Oh, sorry, action.
Okay, redo. Doing this project was really fun. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So doing this project was really fun, and being an actor in the video itself, I found it really hard to keep a straight face. And overall, like, I would never go into acting because it was really difficult, and it was fun, but I don't know, it's not for me, so.
And as a director, I thought filming the project was actually interesting,
and fun to see the actors try acting their part. But overall, it was pretty fun.
And like, you know, meeting with everyone, like getting the lights done and costumes, I guess, and design, it was difficult, and we had to deal with lighting, which was hard to do because like sometimes the light would look ugly in our face, or like it was too bright, too dark. So, but overall, the project was really fun, and we learned a lot.